Little interruption in my sawmill job. Needed to haul some cutting gas. Can't carry it inside of a vehicle. And my little platform I put on the back of my van is not really set up for hauling much of anything really. It's just a flat platform. It's been raining so much this year that the OSB is rotted out. So I'm gonna take that OSB off, take some of that angle iron right there, try to get it in the bandsaw over there, put some risers 1 foot above, some top rails around it, build a gate and a lid, and then put the expanded metal in the bottom, sides, and the top, and a way to padlock it so I can carry stuff inside of the 18-inch by 48-inch, about 8 inches or 12 inches deep. And I can also carry taller stuff or stuff that extend out by leaving the gate down and the top up. So that way the back will be 1.5 feet tall when the back is raised up, and it'll be about a foot extended further out, so that'd be 2.5 feet wide bed if I wanted to haul heavier, larger packaging, and still be legal well under 4 foot hanging off the back of the bumper or tail lights there. But yep, sometimes you just gotta go gas cans, hauling gasoline. I don't like to do it inside the van. I don't like to use a trailer just to do that. Sometimes I don't want to start the old 1 ton and haul fuel in the barrel. So you just need a little bit of gas or something. You just throw a gas can in the back here. Stop when you can, without worrying about somebody stealing it otherwise, because it'll be padlockable, and I'll be able to haul my oxygen settling tanks in there and keep them locked up. That way I don't have to use a trailer or a pickup or a truck of some sort to haul my cutting gas when I exchange them. Anyway, that's my current project, kind of interfering with my sawmill project. Later.